I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. I have something exciting to tell you. I want to be famous.
That's amazing. How do you want to be famous?
I want to be a famous singer. I love singing. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. Do you sing in a band?
No, I sing alone. I practice every day. Do you think I can be famous?
Yes, I think you can. You have a great voice. Do you write your own songs?
Yes, I write my own songs. I also play the guitar. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. Maybe we can play together sometime. Do you perform anywhere?
Sometimes, I sing at local events and parties. Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I love concerts. They are very fun. Have you ever performed at a concert?
Not yet, but I hope to one day. Do you think I should start a YouTube channel?
Yes, that's a great idea. Many people become famous on YouTube. Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I watch many music videos and tutorials. They are very helpful. Do you follow any famous singers?
Yes, I follow many singers. My favorite is Taylor Swift. Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran. He is very talented. Do you think it is hard to become famous?
Yes, it can be hard, but if you work hard and believe in yourself, you can do it. Do you have a plan?
Yes, I plan to record my songs and share them online. Do you think people will like my music?
Yes, I think people will love your music. You are very talented. Can I hear one of your songs?
Sure, I can sing for you now. Do you have any advice for me?
Just be yourself and stay positive. You will do great. When can we hear your music online?
I hope to share my first song next month. Will you support me?
Yes, of course. I will tell all my friends to listen to your music. We should celebrate your dream.
Thank you, Mia. That means a lot. Let's celebrate soon.
Yes, let's do that. I have to go now. See you later, Jake.
See you, Mia. Have a great day. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, John. I am not feeling well. I have a headache.
Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning. It's very painful. Do you have any advice?
Yes, you should rest and drink plenty of water. Have you taken any medicine?
No, I haven't. Do you think I should take some?
Yes, you can take a painkiller. It might help. Do you have any at home?
Yes, I have some. I will take it when I get home. What else can I do?
You can also try putting a cold cloth on your forehead. It can help with the pain. Have you eaten anything today?
No, I haven't eaten much. I wasn't feeling hungry. Do you think I should eat?
Yes, you should eat something light. It might help you feel better. Do you know why you have a headache?
I think it's because I didn't sleep well last night. Do you ever get headaches?
Yes, sometimes. When I am stressed or tired. Have you been stressed lately?
Yes, I have a lot of work to do. It's very stressful. Do you have any tips for relaxing?
Yes, try to take breaks and do something you enjoy. Listening to music or going for a walk can help. Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I love music. It helps me relax. I will try that. Do you think I should see a doctor?
If the headache doesn't go away or gets worse, you should see a doctor. They can help you. Do you have a doctor nearby?
Yes, my doctor is close by. I will call if I need to. Thank you for your help, John.
You're welcome, Sarah. I hope you feel better soon. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you, John. I have to go now. See you later.
See you, Sarah. Take care and get some rest.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Anna.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is John.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have any sisters?
Yes, I have two sisters.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is David.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Maria.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 45 years old.
How old is your father?
My father is 50 years old.
How old is your brother?
My brother is 20 years old.
How old is your sister?
My sister is 25 years old.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
What does your brother do?
My brother is a student.
What does your sister do?
My sister is a nurse.
Where does your family live?
My family lives in New York.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog.
What is your pet's name?
Our pet's name is Buddy.
What is your grandmother's name?
My grandmother's name is Sarah.
What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is George.
How old is your grandmother?
My grandmother is 70 years old.
How old is your grandfather?
My grandfather is 75 years old.
Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have 3 cousins.
What are your cousins' names?
Their names are Tom, Jerry, and Lucy.
How old is your cousin Tom?
Tom is 15 years old.
How old is your cousin Jerry?
Jerry is 18 years old.
How old is your cousin Lucy?
Lucy is 10 years old.
Where do your grandparents live?
They live in Florida.
What does your grandmother do?
My grandmother is retired.
What does your grandfather do?
My grandfather is a farmer.
Do you have any aunts?
Yes, I have 2 aunts.
Do you have any uncles?
Yes, I have 3 uncles.
What is your aunt's name?
My aunt's name is Lisa.
What is your uncle's name?
My uncle's name is Michael.
How old is your Aunt Lisa?
My Aunt Lisa is 40 years old.
How old is your Uncle Michael?
My Uncle Michael is 45 years old.
Do you have any nieces or nephews?
Yes, I have 1 niece.
What is your niece's name?
My niece's name is Emma.
How old is your niece Emma? How old is your niece Emma?
Emma is 5 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
Is your family big or small?
My family is big.
Do you see your family often?
Yes, I see my family every week.
Where does your brother study?
My brother studies at university.
Where does your sister work?
My sister works in a hospital.
What is your mother's favorite food?
Her favorite food is pasta.
What is your father's favorite sport?
His favorite sport is football.
What is your brother's hobby?
His hobby is playing guitar.
Where did your parents meet?
They met in college.
How long have your parents been married?
They have been married for 25 years.
What do you like to do with your family?
We like to go hiking together.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My niece Emma is the youngest.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My grandfather is the oldest.
Does your family have any